guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Sikukuna 0. I'm joined by the past chairman.
Sibonja na Tam.
I'm Nandi She.
Mnanda uTam.
The general.
Mamela Steve. Asicale ngokubonga before singene egameni.
Sure.
Ngibuyele emuva kancane. Ku AFCON.
Sure.
Abongile Tom. Abobhokoloshi bazibonele.
Yeah.
Ale inkunzi.
Ayinja lapho.
Yinja le.
Ayinja.
And wabongile Tom la khona. Ngifuna azi ukuthi Sithibo each and every tournament enzeka eAfrica.
Sure.
Is invited.
Yeah.
Ukubonisa ukuthi akasifluku.
Yeah.
Ngidlulisa amagama okubonga before ngene egamini uThami. Mina ngifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso. Bangayikhuluma lento ukuthi ubangele Thomo maybe Bhakaniya or yini.
Yeah.
But mina ngikhuluma ngesuccess kaMchita. Continental.
Yeah.
That's number 1.
Sure.
Ngiyandlula Sithibo.
Yeah.
Ngiyakubeka.
Yeah.
Uyazi ngiqala ngikubeke before ngene egamini.
Ngiyazi.
Number 2.
Sure.
Ngiyakhabulisa. Yabona mfana nina amafans wethu TV. Thina nisenzile saziwa ebantwini, but not only us.
Sure, Chairman.
Nama content creators.
Sure, Chairman.
Nwabekela ipapa etafuleni.
Bamba.
Yazi kwenzala Sithibo. Khona abanye abantu ne mangithi nginokubabheka uthola ukuthi make posta ivideo yakhe just normal. Unokuba na 15 views. Make stishi video yami abe na 20,000 viewers.
Yeah,
akhuphuke.
Yeah.
Akwazi ukuthola istampede.
Yes.
Adle naye.
Yes, Che.
Izani bafana. Ngistisheng.
Yeah.
Bosithibo bazonika ama video yami. Nidle boys, ningalambi. Idlana. Yeah.
Yes, Che.
Right, Sithibo sesingena ku Downs.
Bangene.
La bengisaqala ngokubonga ngento yenzela abantu basemzansi. Thina usibeka la. But kunabanye abantu ongazi ukuthi yababeka laba ama views nani. Badla ngawe mfana. Maningi ama content creators engwalandela ngibona stisha ama video yami. Boom.
Yeah. Nabe babe ne following.
In fact banokushaba uma 21k. Nge-interview yakho.
Yeah.
Just ukuthi ungistishile.
Yeah.
And akakhuluma umnteni ngimake ngistisha. Uvela dala eGrootman iyabheda. Abantu bayilandela abanye bazothi chairman wethu lo abanye bathi hayi uyahlanya lo in bese uyadla idlani bafana uSithibo unifake into
ubani uthi uyabheda
hayi Sithibo yibo la bengibafunayo
yeah
ngiyabafuna abese asingene udawana
sure
Sithibo uSandawana idlale better than the way thina sidlale ngakhona on Saturday.
Sure.
Yazi why ngithi better because they won the game.
True, Che.
Thina sidlala i-draw.
Sure.
So angeke ngize ngithi thina we were better than it down. Ngizobe ngikhuluma amanga because iscore sizongiphikisa.
Sure, Che.
Thina angithi ubonile sidlala i-draw. Bona bawinile. But ubonile ukuthi uEric Tinkler ubabambile i-full game until the extra minutes ka-ref, yabo. But I was worried communication ka Tinkler ku press conference when he said Sundowns doesn't win game ngokuthi idli Pirate or idli Chiefs, idli ama small team, which means he was counting himself as well. Ukuthi kadliwa ngakadlala. I understand. So naloko thina siyawazi amawudu team sethu Sithibo. Mina mangiphume ePulukwane with the draw bengazi ukuthi it's fine. A draw from away is fine. But today is not about the Orlando Pirates, it's about the Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah. Sithibo, Sundowns played well today. but ke ngifuna ukubavusa nabo abantu beSundowns ukuthi today you might be smiling,
Yeah.
but igame elandelayo sazi
Yes.
ngoba uKhadoso udlala ngama-team ayi-2.
Sure.
Makedlala locally udlala ngama-local player, makedlala iCAF udlala ngama-Sulumani wakhe lawo
Yes, yes.
wama-50,000.
Yes, 50 million.
50 million.
Yes.
Yeah, dangu correct. Wama-50 million.
Sure.
Yeah. But now asazi ukuthi Dydeng izopusha up to how long?
Right.
Because of Tina Stibo for now. Saturday masisuke ePulukwane sibonile ukuthi we still pushing Sundowns. Siyipusha kanjani? We were draw in terms of points.
Yes, che.
Noma bebaphezulu kithi it was a different of 2 goals.
Yes.
Yes, today bazenzele ilife yaba simple ngokuthi bakore 2 goals to be more advanced,
Sure.
ne? But remember ukuthi mabedlala today thina siba 2 games in hand again. And the 2 games in hand akusukuthi ama point.
VAR.
Yeah.
VAR.
We understand akusukuthi ama 3 point.
Sure.
So mfethu abadlale bazodlala na during thina sodlala weekend babe busy thina sodlala nemageso on Saturday of which ngiyazi ukuthi uzobe usesigodini.
Sure, che.
And Stibo bangaloku babuza ukuthi why Pirate ingadlali during ithi ngiexplain lento.
Explain it, che.
Species enjoy birthday ka chairman.
Yes.
Chairman of the league uya birthday.
Yes, che.
Asikhulumi ngevoko la ka chairman. Sikhuluma ngo chairman.
Yes.
Uya birthday.
Yes.
So abasinika i-chance sishayo umoya sikwazi ukuthi si recover.
That's true.
And then on Saturday Stibo sizobona ukuthi senza njani. But njengoba ngisho ukuthi it's not about Pirate now. It's about iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ngiba congratulate uTham ukuthi bakhonela uku-advance with the ngenye 3 point. Angithi besidraw.
Yes.
Manje ba 3 points ahead.
Yes.
But bangakhohlwa is 2 games ahead. Njengoba ngisho ngithi 2 games ahead ayisho ukuthi ama point. Kodwa ngale Pirate siphethe leyo mlilo
Yeah.
sizobuya.
Asibonge.
Yabo. And then the last one now Tham before ngivaya.
Sure.
Yeah, ngikhulume nama fans
Yebo, che man.
webhola lonke. Ukuthi yabona thina njengoba siza la kuma fans wethu.
Sure, che.
Siza with different badges
Yes, che.
and siyathandana.
Yes, che.
Asikaze sathukana.
Yes, che.
Asikaze saxabana.
Yes, che.
But ke leyo ukuthi ni attackane stadium ayikho mnandi uThami. Yabona uThami mina njengomuntu okudala kule ndima le ngigijimile le ndima ujwaho uzokutshela.
Sure, che.
Bekunesikhathi la thina neChiefs besingabhekana. Besingahlala even one grandstand. Besihlala different. Kusakhona abo Orlam Lenzana izinje ezazishaya uGabu. Yabona ukuthi manje sihlale together ke kwathatha isikhathi and kwathatha ipeace. So ama 2000 angazoyenza into angazazi ngoba ngeke phele kamnandi.
Sure, che.
And labantu laba abavusa Dydeng Stibo aba attend nama game. Abanayo neregalia. Nejezi nje le club abanalo. So bafuna ukuyivusa basendlini ngedata yefone bese sala nathi thina eStadium. Stibo thina siya nama family eStadium. And makuzovuka into ezinje mfethu angeke kube mnandi. So besithi nje ngepeace si call into order. Ngoba masiloku sihamba sizwa izinkulumo la emabranchini siyabona bayahloma bayahlasela. Kodwa sithi asibacele ukuthi bafethu
Siyeke.
asiyekeni. Yabona? Because yazi Sithibo mangabe nijwayele ukuba 1000 eStadium nizolwa nabantu ababa yi10 eStadium nizoba pitches.
Hayi VAR, che.
So asiyeke Sithiba uthami angivale ubatshele ke laba mangabe ngibhizi nawe baloku bathi hey Sithibo ngathi uncanye uchairman abanye bakubuzile ukuthi chairman phuzana abatshele njami Blue Label
hayi intonyana thank you chairman by grade